Good day, ma'am. My name is Alexis Elagria, Section G2N. What is this communication breakdown? It is the failure to exchange information which causes lack of communication. This occurs when the receiver didn't understand the message that was sent by the sender. We have now 4 types of communication barrier. When you're talking to someone or people or interrupting your communication, that is example of psychological barrier. It is a natural or environmental condition that acts as a barrier in communication in sending the message from sender to receiver. Next is psychological barrier. It also called as mental barrier. It is referred to social and personal issues of a speaker towards communicating with others that you're too shy or not confident to perform. Other example are fear, depression. Third, we have cultural barriers. It pertains to communication problems encountered by people, intrinsic values, beliefs, and traditions in conflict with others. People culture affect the way they communicate and relate to others. Example, if they shake hands and not their culture. Lastly, linguistic barriers. It pertains conflict with regard to language and word meanings. Because words carry denotative and connotative meanings, sometimes they can cause confusion and misunderstanding. Meaning of words, symbols also vary depending on culture. Example, different of what we use that causes communication breakdown. Different language. Thank you, ma'am.